In this tutorial, I would like to show you how to plot a PDF and a CDF, namely probability distributions of a continuous random variable, and how to evaluate these probability distributions. The first thing I'll do is to create a random variable, so I'll go to the Objects pane. I right-click on Continuous Random Variables to create a random variable. I will give it a name. I will give it a mean, in this case 100. I'll give it a coefficient of variation of 25%. And you will notice that all the other parameter values for the random variable, such as the standard deviation and the other parameters of the distribution, in this case we have a normal distribution, but the other parameters are then automatically computed. I could have given mean, standard deviation, and then the coefficient of variation would be automatically computed. In this case, I'd like to work with a log normal random variable, so I choose the log normal distribution, and you'll notice that again the mean is 100, the coefficient of variation is 25%, and now the parameters of the log normal distribution are automatically computed. The next thing I'd like to do is to right-click on the random variable in the Objects pane to plot the probability distribution in the form of the probability density function, the PDF. I can also right-click and plot the CDF, etc. That goes from 0 smoothly up to 1. To evaluate a CDF or PDF or inverse a CDF, I simply right-click on the random variable again in the Objects pane, and this time I'd like to evaluate the probability that this random variable, the outcomes of this random variable, are less than, say, 50. So I right-click on Get CDF. I enter the value in the dialog box that opens, in this case 50. I press OK, and the result, namely the probability that the random variable is less than 50, is being given in the output pane. So this is how you can work with PDFs and CDFs in RT.